So for today's outfit, go with this hoodie because इधर पे बहुत ठंडा है और even airport पे बहुत ठंडा होता है. So fair leggings, okay? So we're gonna go with this. Let me go and ask my nanny. Now we're gonna try these jeans, okay? It's the exact same thing, just difference है कि ये leggings है और ये pants है. दोनों bell bottom type में है. I think it's a win-win situation because these jeans are long enough for the face. I'm gonna just apply a lot of sunscreen. जबकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा sunscreen लगाया भी हुआ है, पर मैं ब्राउन साइड पे सुबह reapply it. Always reapply your sunscreen. Reminder guys. The shoes we are going with these.